Hello friend, thanks for subscribing. I feel gratitude that you appreciated my work. Thank you. Hi, in this video we are going to see how to remove hyperlinks and how to remove text from a PDF using a free online website. Here you see I want to remove this text, I want to remove this text, and I want to remove these hyperlinks which is present in every page. So first of all, I want to show you the process of removing the hyperlinks. So this is the hyperlink. So copy this. Now go to pdfdo.com link-delete.aspx. Now select the file which you want to remove, the hyperlink. Now, so we can have three options here. Now here, remove all links from PDF. No, I just want to remove the link which contains this text. So now click on delete. Otherwise we can replace the link with another one. So I just want to remove it. Even there is so many websites present to remove text from PDF online. They are taking too much time, whereas I have seen this is working wonderfully. See if it works. Okay, actually it processed the file, but right now I am not able to delete. I don't know the reason. So I am going to use another option like this one. Just I am replacing it with a space. Just click on replace, delete or replace link. Click on download file. See, the link is removed. Now I want to remove these two texts. So how we can remove it? So here one of the thing we must consider that there is no apostrophe commas in the file name. So if it is there, it won't accept the files. That's why I removed the apostrophe commas, and this is the latest downloaded file. Now open this URL in the same website, that is pdfdo.com pdf-replace-text.aspx. Now select the file. Here we have the file. Now we already copied the text to be replaced. This is the file. See, I want to remove these two, job carbos and the lazy man way to riches. See, copy this one. And copy this one. Now I just want to replace it with the space. Now click on replace text. Now click on download file. This is the file. See, the text also removed. So this is the process of removing hyperlinks from PDF and replacing or removing the text from PDF. Even there is so many websites they are stating that they replace the text from PDF. In practical, they are not much useful when you want to delete the text from whole PDF file. So I found this one is useful. Hope you enjoy this video. Maybe it is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.